National Weather Service has issued another particularly dangerous situation red flag warning for Southern California. That PDS goes into effect tomorrow morning at 10 and will run through Tuesday night.
A phrase that has different meaning now after what we have been through. We could see isolated gusts of 80 to 100 miles per hour in most wind-prone mountain locations such as the San Gabriel and western Santa Monica Mountains. This now a live look over Burbank, where we await the winds to arrive over the next 12 to 24 hours. The first strong gusts could move in soon. This is the fourth time since New Year's Day the National Weather Service has issued the high-level alert. The latest was last week. Winds went up to 100 miles an hour. Multiple fires started across LA County, including the deadly and Palisades and Eaton fire. That was actually 2 PDS situations ago.
Eyewitness News is keeping you informed. We do have live team coverage tonight to keep you and your family safe. Our Tim Caputo live with a look at how prepared LA County is for this next major wind event. But we're going to begin with Shayla Girard, who is tracking those strong gusts. Hi, Shayla.
Yes, Michelle Jory, this is the 5th particularly dangerous situation we've seen since November. And keep in mind, some of the past events, we saw the Mountain Fire breakout, we saw the Franklin Fire breakout, and then the Palisades Fire. This is not something we can afford to take lightly. We've seen what happens under conditions like these. So this is starting tomorrow morning, lasting through Tuesday morning. Coasts and valleys potentially seeing gusts 50 to 70 miles per hour. Mountains, foothills, you could see isolated gusts up to 100 miles per hour. Now, keep in mind, these particularly dangerous situations, these are always part of a red flag warning. It just means it is the most extreme and dangerous red flag warning condition. So this particular PDS, you'll notice it extends from Ventura County down to western portions of LA, including Malibu, the San Fernando Valley, up the I-5, and then also even into eastern portions of LA. And this is just part of a very large red flag warning extending to most of Southern California. So we are in for a couple very windy and dangerous days, Jory and Michelle.
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Get more great ABC7 content by clicking the subscribe button for our YouTube channel and download the ABC7 Los Angeles streaming app on Fire TV, Android TV, Apple TV, and Roku to watch on your TV.